Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G13 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then click on Wallpaper and Style, and here just select Change Wallpaper. Now you can select one from your own photos by tapping on My Photos, then you can choose one from on-device wallpapers or one from online wallpapers, which are grouped into categories. Let me pick, for example, Earth, and here you've got all the beautiful pictures. You can also customize it however you like. Let me just go back. You can go through all the pictures and then choose the one that you want to apply, that you like the most. And let me pick, for example, maybe actually something from art. Let's go with this one. So now still you can customize it. You can put it a bit differently on your lock screen, and then just click on confirmation mark here. Decide if you like to have it on lock screen only or on both screens. I would choose both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home, key, and home screens, and the opposite way. So this is lock screen and here you've got the home screen wallpaper. So that's it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.